Hello, what's up, guys? Thank you all for being here. This is your first time. Consider subscribing. What's up? Thank you always. Here I am having the street food. Actually, I was trying to have like something here, so I'm trying this one here. You can wonder how it is, and I'm testing here. I felt like I should have the food. It's just nice, and this that is it's a small bowl. So I actually it's very tasty. The street food is very nice. Otherwise, I can't complain. There's someone in here is selling, but I don't want to show her. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, give it a like outside there. We are heading to 2,000 subscribers. Consider subscribing. That's a better way of supporting me, actually. just for being here. Otherwise, I am very much happy. We are blessed. We cannot complain. I'm like having a walk. That's why you can see from that side here, and I'm heading home. So if you're outside there, consider subscribing. Support your girl. Actually, I'm talking live from the almost to my home. So hope you enjoyed the video actually. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. My name is Graccey Mission, this YouTube channel. Thank you always for checking me. So I'm taking you around. It's an evening walk, and this is how it looks. I'm from that side, and I'm heading to those side there. So the village looks. If you are outside there and you think that the village is that special, it's not that. All the roads here at the village, they are not that good actually. If it rains, like I've not passed here, so it's like if you use this road, it's like it's easy to go home. So that's why I have used the road here.